Good morning, my dear students. I am Gopal Rao, working as a lecturer in EC department at Sangareddy Government Polytechnic College. Today topic is explain the forward reverse bias voltage characteristics of diode. Simply today topic is VI characteristics of a diode. We have discussed the following topics previous class. First one, PN junction diode with forward reverse bias, and second one, working of diode under forward reverse bias. On completion of this period, you would be able to know junction properties and VI characteristics of PN junction diode, forward and reverse resistance. Coming to the PN junction properties. First one, the junction contains immobile ions, that is, this region is depends of mobile charges. Second one, this region is called the depletion region, the space charge region or transition region. Third one, it is in order of 1 microns width. Next one, the cut-in voltage is 0.3 volts for germanium, 0.7 volts for silicon. Next one, the reverse saturation current doubles for every 10 degree Celsius rise in temperature. And forward resistance is in the order of ohms, the reverse resistance is in the order of mega ohms. These are the properties of PN junction, and the transition region increases with the reverse bias. This region also considered as a variable capacitor and known as transition capacitance. These are the PN junction diode properties. And coming to the characteristics. The forward reverse bias voltage characteristics of diode. The graph drawn between voltage across PN junction and current through it is called VI characteristics of PN junction diode. Usually voltage is taken along x-axis and current along y-axis. These characteristics are also called static characteristics because they describe the DC behavior of the diode. These characteristics are also called static characteristics because they describe the DC behavior of the diode. The circuit arrangement for determining the VI characteristics of a PN junction diode shown in figure. The characteristics can be studied under 3 sections, namely 0 external voltage, forward bias and reverse bias. First one, 0 external voltage. When the external voltage is 0, that is, the potential barrier at the PN junction prevents the flow of current through it. The potential barrier at the PN junction prevents the flow of current through it. Therefore, the circuit current is 0 as indicated by point 0 in figure shown in figure next slide. These are the figures: forward bias connection, reverse bias connection, and in forward bias characteristics, VI characteristics, reverse bias VI characteristics. The graph shows the forward reverse bias characteristics and VI characteristics of the PN junction diode. Forward bias. Under forward bias condition, the potential barrier of a PN junction is reduced at some forward voltage 0.7 volt for silicon and 0.3 volts for germanium. The potential barrier is eliminated and current starts flowing in the circuit. Further, the magnitude of current increases with increases in applied forward voltage. Thus, a rising curve AB is obtained. The rising curve AB is obtained with the forward bias as shown in figure last slide. That is forward bias VI characteristics. That is potential barrier is eliminated and current starts flowing in the circuit. Next one, reverse bias. For reverse bias, the same circuit is used except the terminals of diodes are reversed and milliammeter is replaced by microammeter as shown in figure last slide. Now that is in reverse bias connection. For that reverse bias connection, under reverse bias condition, the potential barrier of a PN junction diode is increased. Therefore, the junction resistance becomes very high and practically no current flows through the circuit. No current flows through the circuit. However, in practice, a very small current in the order of nanoamperes or microamperes flows in the circuit with reverse bias as shown in the figure last slide. That is in region in the figure O to C. This is called reverse leakage current and is due to minority carriers as the reverse voltage is increased beyond a value known as reverse breakdown voltage. This is called the reverse leakage current and is due to minority carriers as the reverse voltage is increased beyond a value known as reverse breakdown voltage. All the covalent bonds in the crystal are broken and result a large current, that is region C to D. Next one, interpret the manufacturer's specifications of a given diode for data sheet. For a data sheet, manufacturer specifications. First one, maximum forward current. Maximum forward current IF. It is the maximum current that a diode can conduct in forward direction. First specification is maximum forward current. It is denoted by I, capital IF. It is the maximum current that a diode can conduct in forward direction. Second one, maximum forward voltage drop. Maximum forward voltage drop, simply we denoted as VF. That means it gives the maximum voltage drop for a given forward current. It gives the maximum voltage drop for a given forward current. Third one, peak inverse voltage. Peak inverse voltage, PIV. This is the maximum reverse voltage that a diode can withstand without being destroyed. Peak inverse voltage, PIV. This is the maximum reverse voltage that a diode can withstand without being destroyed. Next, fourth one, reverse breakdown voltage, VBR. Reverse breakdown voltage. It gives the reverse voltage at which breakdown of the diode takes place. VBR means it gives the reverse voltage at which breakdown of the diode takes place. Next specification, reverse saturation current. Reverse saturation current. It gives the reverse saturation current below the breakdown voltage. Reverse saturation current, IO. It gives the reverse saturation current below the breakdown voltage. Next one, diode resistance. It gives the forward and reverse resistance values when conducting. It gives the forward and reverse resistance values when conducting. Next one, power rating. Power rating, P. The maximum power that the device can safely dissipate on continuous basis in free air at 25 degree Celsius. Next one, surge current. It is usually higher than the normal maximum forward current. It may flow briefly when a circuit is first switched on. When a circuit is first switched on. These are the specifications of manufacturer company for diode, and for this topic we have two important questions. First one, explain the forward reverse bias voltage characteristics of diode, and second question, draw the VI characteristics of diode. These are the important questions. Thank you.